Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about a division 2 problem, and the name of the problem is registration system. And to solve this problem we will use C++ and map data structure from STL. So I hope you know these two things pretty well. So let's start. Here users are going to open a email service for them, and for that reason they are going to register their name in the system. So in this process, if they put their name, the system checks whether the name exists or not in their system. If it does not exist in their system, then the name, if it's a unique name, then the system returns okay. Otherwise, that means if the name already exists in their system, then it makes up a new name and it registers in that name. So what's the new name? What's the process of creating this new name? That's we have to understand. So the new name is created using this technique. Name, the name that the user has put plus a number, and the number is given based on the appearances of that name, of that particular name. For example, let's assume that your name is ABC. ABC is already present in the system once. Then if you put the same name again, ABC, the system will register the name like ABC1. That means in total the number here will be total number of appearances including your ones, total number of appearances minus 1. So the system will create a new name, and the process of making this new name is they will consider your appearance also, so that they will calculate total number of appearances, and if you minus 1, that will be the new name of yours. For example, if your name is maybe Jack has already appeared like 12 times. So if you put Jack again, so your number is 12. Previously Jack has been appeared 12 times and your number is 12, and if you count your ones also, then the total number of appearances is actually 13, but the name will be 13 minus 1, so it will be 12. I hope you got the idea properly. So we'll have to express this whole thing in our code. So let's go into Visual Studio. So now we'll write this code. We will declare an integer, name is int n. It's basically because how many times we will run this code, and test for text case actually, and we will declare a string to take the input of your name, of our name or users. And to calculate the appearances of our names, we will have to use the map string, or we will use the map string, map data structure, map string int. And we know that there can be two types of data types in map. And let's give the name of this map as count, as it will count the appearances of our name. Here in this way, using this while loop, we will run as many times as we want according to our wishes. Here in this while loop, we will take input our names. So cin, and then we will count the number of appearances with our names. In this way, we will have the information, the total number of appearances with our names. It will be included here. The information will be stored. So then if the number of appearances is greater than 1, then our output will be if the number of appearances, total number of appearances is greater than 1 with the particular name that we have given the input, then our output will be with our name and total number of appearances minus 1. Otherwise, if it does not exist, the name totally does not exist in our system or database, then we will simply print OK. So this is what our task was. For example, we can test our code. We can take to ABC is OK, because ABC does not exist in our system or database. But if we again write ABC, then it will return ABC1 because it has appeared once. So the number of appearances previously, the number is written here. Or if you say in other words, the total number of appearances is 2, so 2 minus 1 is actually 1. So it has this number 1, and this is how it works. Thanks for watching.